Any topic covered in last class?
Align
Different
system
types of
and
lines.
unidirectional system.
Line system we covered. Okay. Now, next topic is lettering practice. Next topic is lettering practice. Okay. How many letters we have? How many letters we have?
26.
Sure, there is no doubt now. Okay. Please write those letters like this. A, B, give some space. C, D in sequence up to. After this, below I want space. C, D up to X, Y, Z. No, right? Written? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good. Now I will tell. I want to ask you people one question, Amma. Why you written English in 4-line notebook? Why you people written English in 4-line notebook? When you started your life
To
journey?
check whether
To know the
letter is
exact length
uppercase or
in which
lowercase,
the letter
sir.
should be written.
Okay. One thing I want to ask. It may be 2-line single line. It may be 2-line. It may be 3-line. Why it is 4-line notebook?
Capital and small
Anytime you ask.
letters.
Yes. Yes, Amma.
To check whether the letters are uppercase or lowercase, sir.
Oh, uppercase, lowercase. Very good. I will come there. Uppercase, lowercase. I will ask which one is the uppercase, which one is the lowercase. Okay. Normally, this type of lettering, how many types of lettering we have? How many types of lettering? Apart from capital and small. Apart
Small.
from these two. Apart from these two. Apart from these two. Yes.
Cursive, sir.
Cursive, vertical lettering and inclined lettering. Anytime you heard this word inclined?
Yes, sir.
Where you heard, Amma?
Slanting.
Slant. Very good. Inclined means slant. Okay. You know Microsoft Word?
Yes, sir.
Microsoft
Yes,
Word.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. There
Yes,
are some
sir.
icons somewhere. B-I-U. What is that?
Bold, italic,
Bold,
underline.
italic, and
What do you mean by italic?
Slant.
slant.
Slant. What is the angle it slants? What is the angle?
30.
It slants each and every letter in that inclination only. Anyone knows? I will keep that issue pending. You all are intelligent student. You are sitting there. Please tell me what is the inclination. First, I will finish vertical letter. Okay. You know what do you mean by unit? Unit. What is the meaning of unit?
Sir, screen is in inverted position, sir. We can't look
Yes.
at a laptop.
Yes, Amma. I will change my position. I am not doing anything. When I will do, I will make it neat. Okay. Now I am simply talking to you people. Tell me, what do you mean by unit? Unit.
Yes,
Single.
Small part, single part.
Individual and single complex.
Single. Okay. Single. Listen. I will draw one this box. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. It is single unit.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Sure. Right.
That is unit
Next.
square, no, sir.
Oh, square.
Unit square.
2. What about this? It is also unit or something else? Yes. What is this? 1, 1, 1 is unit. 2, 2, 2, 2 is
Unit.
unit only. Ah, very good answer. Then what is the difference between these two, Amma?
That is
Size.
1 unit, this is 2 units.
It is double. You heard about zoom in, zoom out? You heard about zoom in, zoom out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can zoom in, zoom out. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the function of zoom in, zoom out, Amma?
To increase size and decrease the
To
screen.
increase or decrease the size. You use microscope? You use a microscope?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Use a microscope or not? What is
No,
the
sir.
purpose?
Sir.
Not
Enlarge.
used in past. In 8th, 9th, 10th, we have microscope. In intermediate, we obviously use in physics experiment microscope. If you not gone through, now you have in engineering college, you please go and ask any physics faculty, sir, I want to see microscope. When you will go and appear for physics lab, finished or yet to be finished?
Not
This
finished.
semester we have, sir.
Not finished na. Whenever you will go your lab, you please ask, sir, please show us microscope. What is the function of microscope?
Zoom in and zoom out.
Zoom in and zoom out. What is the function
To
of
show the
specs?
particles in
To
a
see the
zoomed.
microorganisms.
See the small particles.
To show the microorganism which is not visible by our naked eyes, that we will zoom in, means zoom out, we will make it in bigger size. What is the function of specs, Amma? Specs? You
To
people are having
improve vision.
specs? Vision. Vision. Which type of vision you may have? Anyone who is having
Metropia
specs?
or hypermetropia.
అంతే పెద్ద పెద్ద వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేయదురా, సింపుల్ లాజిక్. You may not see nearest object or you may not see far away object. Agree?
Long distance.
Only
Yes,
Short
sir.
vision, long vision.
yeah. Short vision or long vision. Basically, we have two fundamentals. So based upon that, they will provide the specs. Specs, what it will solve? It will resolve our problem. We are able to see the picture clearly. Agree? Now, unit means it may be single unit or it may be double unit. All values should be same. Unit is same values should have. So that's why same. Anyone knows that? Why I asked you to write A to Z? Now I will tell, note down. A kinda. Rayandi. A 8. How much you have to write A below? How much?
8.
How much?
8.
8. And now I will start. B7. Make it fast. B7. C6. D7. E6. F6. G7. H7. I2. J5. K7. L5. M9. N7. O7. P7. Q7. R7. S7. T7. U7. V8. W12. X8. Y8. Z7. Noted down? Or shall I
Once
repeat?
again repeat, sir.
Repeat, sir.
I will repeat. Jagratam చూసుకోండి. A8, B7, C6, D7, E6, F6, G7, H7, I2, J5, K7, L5, M9, N7, O7, P7, Q7, R7, S7, T7, U7, V8, W12, X8, Y8, Z7. Okay. What is this, Amma? What is this? What is this?
Units of letter, I guess.
No units. It is a width of the object. These all are width of the object. This is the width of the object. Be careful. Then what is the height of the object, Amma? What is the height of the object? What
All
is
are
the-
same, I guess.
Oh, all are same. So what? Now I will draw. Height is always 14 units. Height is always how much? Height is how much?
14 units.
14 units. Jagrata. Idu space, that line got crossed. So that's why I'm drawing one more line. So this is the line. 14 units means instead of taking 1 mm as a unit, I will take 2 mm as a unit. 14 into 2, how much?
28.
14 into
28.
2, 28. Very good. So I will draw all the lines of 2 mm. How many units I have to draw? 14. How much? Now you see, I taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All 2 mm gap, I drawn this. I taken 2 mm, but still vertical height of any letter should be 14 units. How you have to write? 14 units. Got it? Getting my point? How many lines I drawn? 14. Okay. Now, first I will write a letter. Okay. Whether these are units? Whether these are units? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes,
Units
sir.
are? No, I will make now units. First this line. How much unit? 8 means how much? 8 means how much? 8 into 2. 8 into 2.
16.
16.
16. See, take 16. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Draw these lines. Now, if you are an intelligent student, you will come to know this is units. See, each particle. This is 1 unit. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 units. Each one box is 1 unit. And its size is 2 by 2. I taken 2 on this side, 2 out. So all side it is 2 by 2. How to write A? One more thing. You know how to write B? This is the way we will write B. This is the way we will write B.
Sir, కనపడతలేదు.
కనపడతలేదా? పడప్లే పెట్టండి. This and this. Which one you always prefer?
First.
First one.
Here always remember that this 14 unit is having combination of 6-8 combination or 8-6 combination. What is the combination? Combination. What is the
6 and 8 or
combination?
8 and
6-8 or 8-6.
8-6. Always we prefer 6-8. We may prefer 8, 6 also, nothing wrong in that. 6 plus 8 is 14 units. 8 plus 6 is 14 units. See that from here I will measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th line. I will make little bit dark. If you are understanding my concept. Now, how many lines? Only think this is the first line, second line, and this is the
Third line.
third line. Now notebook is 3-line notebook. I will make it 4-line later. Now, how to write A? Very simple. This corner. Take this corner. How many lines you have? How many lines?
8.
How many lines? Count lines.
14.
14.
Lines amma, vertical lines amma. How many vertical
16.
lines? Vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4,
9.
5, 6,
9.
9. Ah, yes. What I have to do? I have to rotate. What I have to rotate?
Sir, camera is in horizontal position, sir. We can't see.
Yes, amma. Camera is in horizontal, amma. Because I am taking class from home. So that's why I don't have that arrangement. What normally I have it. Okay.
You can't
So
see,
that's why I
sir.
kept. You can't see. What is your good
We are
name?
using laptops now, sir. We can't rotate our
Sir,
laptop.
we are using laptops now.
Okay, okay. It is coming in reverse order. It is coming in reverse.
Yes, sir. Reverse.
1 minute. One pani chestan. I will shift like this. Okay. Now you say 1 minute, amma. Now
Now also reverse only, sir.
Sir,
now
now
also you
totally
want, sir.
reverse, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
rotate in anti-clockwise direction, sir.
how to rotate anti-clockwise? It will become on my side. How to I have to write?
Sir,
You are
turn
getting
full
my
brother.
yes, amma?
Keep as before, sir.
Keep
How it is before, like that only keep it, sir.
that only, na? Okay, that's why I told, because when I conducted earlier full summer, I kept like this only. Okay, now this is the A after this. Now tell me which word you want. I will make B also, right? Only I want A with respect to this. What is the size of B, Amma? What is the size of B?
7.
7. 7 into 2, 14. Draw only extreme lines and give some gap between A and B. Give some gap between A and B. I given some 1-2 mm gap. Now you see how I will write B. Carefully observe Chandamma. Now join this with curve. Join this with curve. Join this curve, and this curve with a combination of top 6, bottom 8. This is the writing of B. You have to write all letters like this now. You have to draw full vertical lines. Okay. Any doubts? Any other word you want? Any other word?
Sir, M.
Yamma. Yam very simple. M is very simple. Shall I take G? G.
Yes, sir.
G is how much? 7. 14. Which one is the biggest word and which one is the smallest word, Amma?
W is the biggest and
W is the biggest word and
I is the smallest.
now you see G. Got it?
Sir, Q.
Q is very simple. Okay. Now, 2 mm gap. What is the length of Q? But here, I will do two
7.
components at a time. I will do two components at a time. Agree? Now, Q. What is this?
O.
What is
Oh,
what is this?
oh, oh.
O. ఇది ఓ క్యూ చేయాలి ఇక ఈ కార్నర్ ని
So what is the length
should-
of the upper and lower?
6-8 combination, 6 unit up. This is 6 unit. That's why I drawn one dark line. కనపడుతుందా ఇదో? And
అది
bottom
కాదు
is
సార్, G
8.
కి పైన కర్వ్ కి డాష్ అది ఎంత?
అది కర్వ్ వేయలేదు కదా, ఓన్లీ 2 mm రేడియస్ తీసుకోవాలి. అది జస్ట్ షేప్ ఇవ్వాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ గివింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆర్టిస్టిక్ నేచర్ రా. హౌ ఇట్ లుక్ డీసెంట్ బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి, చూస్తే జీ కనపడాలి. ఇది స్ట్రేట్ ను తీసుకోవచ్చు. యూ కెన్ టేక్ స్ట్రేట్ ఆల్సో. ఐ గివెన్ ఓన్లీ కర్వేచర్. హియర్ ఆల్సో ఐ గివెన్ కర్వేచర్. జస్ట్ 2 mm రేడియస్ అంతే. ఎనీథింగ్, ఎనీ అదర్ వర్డ్? ఎనీ అదర్ వర్డ్?
Sir, W.
W, sir. W.
W very simple ra. W. Why you people are behind W? I don't know. What is the toughest one? The tough game.
Z also, sir.
Z also. Z tough.
S, sir.
Yes, I am doing yes. Yes is the toughest one. ఈ రీతి కర్వ్ చేయాలి. This curve, this curve, this curve, this. వచ్చిందా? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So like that, you have to draw all the letters. Okay. Now, what is the difference between? You have to write. Okay. You note it down. How many number system we have? Number system. Number system.
CNN International.
Hey, somebody want W? You want? Otherwise, no need.
Say, sir, double.
W na. Okay. What is the width amma? W ఎంత ఉంది? 12. 12 అంటే 24. ఇది పెద్ద వర్డ్ అందుకే. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఏం చేయాలరా? 6 ఇక్కడి నుంచి కొట్టుకోవాలి. 6 ఇక్కడి నుంచి కొట్టుకోవాలి. రైట్. ఇది సెంటర్. 24 సెంటర్ ఇస్ 10, 12, 12. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. This వచ్చిందా W? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So like that, you have to write all letters with respect to taking that baseline, that only outer line, and follow it. Okay. Now, what is the difference between inclined letter and this letter? Yes, anyone? I will take attendance amount. Wait for a while. I will note it down piece of paper. If I waste 2 minutes because I have to post attendance now only. Yes, 5 section. Right, already okay. Already posted. Okay. Now I will take attendance. Why strength is very low, amma? Right. Thank you. Thank you, Kamal. Right. Listen. So this is the way. Okay. What is the difference between inclined letters, Sama? Can anyone tell me? Because I want to use same paper. I don't want to draw again and these 14 lines. I want to extend these lines. That's why I'm shifting my camera. Inclined lines. I want only this 6 line. And only these 3 lines you can take reference. Yes, tell me. What is the inclined? Inclination. What is the inclination? I asked you. A. If you take A as a word, 16. Now you see what is the inclination? Anyone? Any response? It should be that inclination I italic is 75 mm. How much it is? How much it is?
75 degrees.
75.
degree, amma. 75 with baseline, 50 degree with vertical line, 15 degree with vertical. 75 plus 15. How much it is? How much?
90. 90.
90. Very good. From here, you can measure. How much it is? 16. So you join this. All are inclined. You have to write inclined letters. Same way. 175 is the parallel line. If it is from here, 16. From here also I measured 16. I drawn all lines. You have to draw parallelly, keeping 2 mm gap. Again, it is parallel. All once it is parallel, inclination is same. A. How to write? It's midpoint. From here, he. From here, it look like a slant, amma. Ante. It is somewhat slant. This is inclined. Any doubts?
So for
Got it?
A, we have drawn vertical and horizontal lines. For all
No,
letters, we have
vertical
to
for
draw.
reference I drawn, amma. Vertical for reference I drawn. I need reference, na? First I
No,
want
sir, in the
this parallel.
first letter, normal letter.
What we drawn? Em chupichu.
అంటే
Correct, it is
vertical,
vertical letter.
horizontal అన్నిటికీ డ్రా చేయాలా సార్ అట్లా?
లేదమ్మా, లేదు. Only first 4 digit A, B, C, D. After that, you have to take only these 3 lines. You have to take only these 3 lines. Remaining అవసరం లేదు. These many lines, it is not. Why I taken means for you people to show I taken. ఏం అవసరం? Only A, B, C, D. Only A should be with all vertical line and horizontal line. After B, I taken only border line. Observe చేశారా? I taken width multiply 2 again. All other words I taken like that. Only first word like this. B, C, D like this. After this, only you take these 3 lines. These 3 lines enough.
ఓకే సార్.
Right? Right. Now, why I kept after this? Again, I want small letters. You have small letters? Small letters.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
vertical over. Numbering system, Amma. First, we will finish numbering. How many numbering systems we have? Numbering system. Letters, how many?
26.
Letters, how many? 26. Numbering system, how many? Number system, how many? Mathematics చదివారా? Mathematics. Numbers, amma.
Whole numbers, natural
What?
numbers. Sir.
Whole Vadra. Only numbers I want quantity. How many numbers we have in nature? Any response?
9, 10.
10. 0 to 9. Right. Please 0 to 9 write, Emma. Please write 0 to 9. Then I will tell each digit width. Make it fast. Only 0 to 9. Any number in nature we can write by using 0 to 9 only. Whether it is a repeated, whether it is the same number, it does not matter. It falls under 0 to 9. Total 10 digits, 10 numbers are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Ora. Over.
Yes, sir.
Take 0, 7, 0, 7, 1, 4, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 7, 9, 7. Shall I repeat? No need. Noted down.
Yes, sir.
Right. Same thing you have to write. First A to Z. No need to write inclined. Inclined only one word you have to, one letter you write. That much enough. But vertical letters, I want A to Z. I want A to Z vertical letters. Complete vertical letters. Numbering 0 to 9. Finish. Only inclined one word. This A or any word you, if you want your name, you can take one word, your initial first name, and you write. That is enough. Okay. Now, small letters. How many small letters we have?
26.
How many?
26.
Please write small letters. Please write small letters. Right. Shall I use different? Because I want to show that difference. Okay. Total 28. Noted down. Now it is how many lines, Amma? How many lines?
4.
4.
4. It will become 4-line notebook. Now it will become 4-line notebook. So that's why we can use both segment, and height is remain same, 14 unit. Height is remain same, 14 units. Within 1 minute, this session will wind up. Again, you people has to rejoin. Shall I start? Finished. Small
Yes,
letter,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
A to right. A6, A6, B6, C5, D6, E6,